but I got it on I got it on the web, and I will do the website name in the description. Yeah, I'm almost dying. Why? Come on. Okay. What? Okay. I'm gonna let Noah have a go right now. Noah, do better than me. Okay, he's done quite well. Yeah. Probably he's gonna break my score because he's very good in this. No way. He just did. He just did. No. Oh my God. Oh, why? Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna try and beat him, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna, because he's a lot better, but I'm really confident that I'm gonna try and do more than one, at least more than one. Yeah, so... Anyway, so let's do it again. Oh, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do... Oh, I'm doing it! Ah, only at 3. Yeah, not close. Well, close, but not close enough. Oh, please. Yes, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Ah, again. 3. Let's do it again. Please do more. I'm only gonna do 3. 3, please do 3. 4. Yes, more than 3. That was good. Am I gonna do it? No. Okay. This is the last goal now. This is the last goal. Sorry, I have to try and beat it. Come on now. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I stopped speaking for some reason. I was really concentrated. Anyway, I am gonna do it this time. I definitely going to do it. Oh wait a minute, guys. Something's happening. They are. Yeah. I know. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just gonna end the video right there. Yeah, I couldn't find Pac-Man or Happy Wheels, unfortunate. Or do you guys want me to play higher lower? Yeah, doesn't matter. I will just do that. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys in the next video. Bye.